Today is my very first and long form video. I honestly was very anxious because I didn't know which subject to choose for you guys. I've already prepared a few items as an example, and I'm also checking if all my accessories are pairing well with my outfits. We are going to build a small capsule for 1 week or maybe 2. The colors which you can see from behind, these are the colors which fits me the best, but you can choose whatever you like. The main point is just to explain you how it works. I chose 2 bottoms, as you can see, in yellow and white, but if you take a look closely, you'll see that all of this color matches very well together. I will show you how it works. What we need is to take our bottoms and pair it with all the t-shirt, tops and blazers, everything you have in your wardrobe with this nice bottom. What it does, it helps you to understand if your outfit is already greatly put together or you need some adjustments. So let's see if my rosy t-shirt with my bottom goes well. That's a good one. And I have a chocolate outfit. It's also very nice. Let's have more elevated look with the stripes. You can choose stripes you like. It's not necessarily to be this complicated. You just can put it this way and it's also very elevated. If you need an extra elevated situation, you just take your blazer, put it with your shirt and with your beautiful white pants. You see, it's already very nice and very beautiful. Let's see how it works with the skirt. My midi skirt is here. You can choose whatever you have in your wardrobe, and we have to proceed the same way we did before. So you take your bottom and apply to your top with a rosy shirt, with a chocolate t-shirt, and with my elevated blouse, and again with my blazer. And once you did all that, you have your small capsule, and then you can adjust your. I chose a pair of sneakers and pair of nude sandals, which combines very well with colors and clothes I have chosen. The final touch will be adding an accessory like a purse, and as always we do the same thing. We look if our purse is combining very well with all our items, and if you don't like the color, you can go maybe for something like that. You see, everything matches. If you truly like more colorful and bold accessories, you can go with something like magenta. You see. The last but not least, maybe adding some chunky collier to your outfit. If you don't like chunky, you can add maybe some staple pieces like beautiful earrings, some, I don't know, some necklace with a fine chains. As you can see, everything works again nicely. That's it for today. Hope you liked it. As you can see, you don't really need much to create something wonderful. Now you know how to create your small and very effortless capsule wardrobe for 1 week or 2. If you liked it, drop me a comment. I'll be happy to hear from you. And until now, stay safe. See you soon.